Next, I will be speaking on climate change in Rio de Janeiro. The threat in Rio is one of disease. The spread of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases is expected to take place. Rio is vulnerable because of the disorganized hillside housing much of the city has, and also the lack of proper sanitation in some of the low-income communities. The combination of the mass populace and the poor sanitation is a recipe for disaster when coupled with the expected rise in temperatures and increase in flooding. The temperature in Rio is expected to climb as much as 3.4 degrees by 2080, and the sea level is predicted to rise anywhere from 37 centimeters to 82 centimeters over the next 65 years. The community will be affected in several ways, first being the flooding. This will displace many people who live in the low-income areas of Rio that are not properly set up with water displacement systems. For any people who are not displaced, they will have to face the risk of diseases that are posed by the climate. Some solutions that are not currently taking place, but I estimate will happen, are to manipulate the layout of the city in such a way to streamline the flooding to targeted areas, and to try and provide financial and medical support for those low-income, at-risk community members.